Hey there sleepyheads, welcome back to the channel where today we're diving into the world of sleep disorders, focusing on two common culprits, sleep apnea and insomnia. If you often struggle to get a good night's rest, then this video is for you. So let's start with sleep apnea. Imagine this. You're peacefully drifting off into dreamland when suddenly your breathing becomes shallow or even stops altogether. And this pause in breathing can last for a few seconds to minutes, jolting you awake and disrupting your sleep cycle. But fear not, there's a superhero in the sleep world and it's called CPAP therapy. CPAP, or continuous positive airway pressure, involves wearing a mask that gently blows air into your airways, keeping them open and allowing you to breathe easily throughout the night. To know whether or not it is sleep apnea that's causing your difficult nights, click in the link in the description to learn about getting an at-home sleep study kit. Now let's talk about insomnia. It's like being stuck in a never-ending loop of tossing, turning, and checking the clock every 5 minutes. Sound familiar? Insomnia can make falling asleep or staying asleep a real challenge, leaving you feeling tired and groggy during the day. So, what are some ways you could improve your sleep if you have insomnia? Well, establishing a bedtime routine can work wonders. Try winding down with a warm bath, sipping on some tea, or reading a book to help signal to your body that it's now time to relax and unwind. Another helpful tip is to keep a sleep diary. By tracking your sleep patterns, you can identify any habits or behaviors that might be contributing to your sleep troubles. Plus, it can be a useful tool to share with your healthcare provider if you decide to seek professional help. So there you have it. Sleep apnea and insomnia may be common sleep disorders, but they're certainly not unbeatable. With the right strategies and support, you can take back control of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be well.